A crystal globe spins in my hands, maps of dreams, lands of sand. The future whispers, faint and shy, a fleeting glimpse beneath the sky. Spotlight shining, hearts ignite, wings of freedom take their flight. Dancing close, the world unwinds with your loved one, space and time. The glass reflects 1,000 hues, broken moments, mended truths, a carousel of highs and lows, round and round the crystal globe.